Hi there everybody, it's Dr. Steve here with Kinesi, and we're going to go through a couple of exercises for the leg, specifically for the knee and the ankle. These are great when you're in an acute phase of recovering from surgery or after an injury, just trying to create a little bit of muscle activation, some muscle pumping to help drive some of that fluid out of the area of the leg when the knee is swollen, even when the ankle is swollen. But what we're going to do are a couple of things. We're going to bring the legs up onto the bench here, and the first one we're going to do are some quad sets. And so sometimes when the knee is really swollen, it doesn't like to flatten all the way, but one of the things that we want to do is really get it straight. You can use like a hand towel under your knee just to give you a little bit of something to straighten into. But the first one we're going to do is a quadriceps set. What that means is the quadriceps muscles on the top of the thigh, we're going to set those muscles. We're going to try and really squeeze. So what we're doing is we're squeezing the thigh muscles, holding for about 5 seconds or so. You're trying to press the back of the knee down into the surface. You can see my heel comes up a little bit. Your foot might do that, or if you're struggling with the knee, making sure the heel is down. If the knee is up here, then you're trying to press down into the surface with it. But you're tightening up the quad muscles, holding 5 seconds, and then relax. You're going to do a bunch of those. Then its partner exercise is a hamstring set. So that's the muscles on the back of the thigh. So as you're laying down, the leg is out in front of you, a little bend in the knee, and then what you're doing is you're digging the heel down into the surface to tighten up the muscles on the back of the thigh. Again, you dig the heel in for about 5 seconds and then relax. So trying to, as if you're trying to bend the knee, it's tightening up those hamstring muscles, and then you relax. And then dig in, hold, and then relax. Doing a bunch of those. So we did the quadriceps sets, the hamstring sets, and now ankle pumps, having the foot just off of the edge of something like the bed, or even better, having your leg elevated. But that's where you're just pumping the ankle back and forth, stepping on and off of the gas pedal. But you can go in all sorts of directions, going side to side, doing circles each way. All of that motion is turning on a lot of these calf muscles to try and pump fluid, edema, swelling, inflammation out of the leg, out of the bottom of the body. So, and you can do things like drawing the alphabet. You can be creative with it, but ankle pumps to create the muscle pump to drive that fluid out of the leg, quadricep activation sets, and hamstring activation or hamstring sets to turn on the muscles and assist with that whole muscle activation, pumping the fluid out of there. So have fun with that one, everybody.